Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to close Union Bank of India salary account. First of all, you should know that what is a salary account. Salary account is an account which is related to your company. Your company will credit your salary to this account. So in this video we will see how to close Union Bank of India salary account. If you have left the job and not using this salary account, within 90 days your salary account is converted into a normal savings account. If it is converted into normal savings account, there will be negative balances, minimum account maintenance charges, and all will be applicable. You must close your salary account. If you have not closed your salary account, if it is not you, then it will affect in your civil score. So try to close your salary account if you have left the job or not using that salary account. So for that, you may close this account through online mode or through offline mode. To close your salary account through online mode, you can visit internet banking facility of your bank, or you can directly close your Union Bank of India salary account from your mobile banking app. You can simply find the in the services section close account, so you can click that and you can close through online mode from internet banking or mobile banking app, or you can simply send email to the bank official mail id, and you can also contact customer care support how to close Union Bank of India salary account. Through all these methods you can close your Union Bank of India salary account through online mode. Now we will see how to close Union Bank of India through offline mode. You should remember that you can close your Union Bank of India salary account at any branch, at any Union Bank of India branch. So before closing, you should maintain that your account balance must be zero. You should clear all loans linked to your closing bank account, or you should not have any services active with this account. These are the required documents to close your Union Bank of India salary account: your passbook, unused checkbook, ATM card, valid ID card, address proof, passport size photo. Here you should carry your Aadhaar card, PAN card, a valid driving license, voter ID card, or recent telephone bill not older than 3 months, or any address proof issued by the government of India or PSUs. These are the documents you should carry along with your xeroxes. After visiting the branch, the bank officials will give you an account closure form, or they will request you to write an account closing requesting letter to the bank. You should fill the form or you should write an application. After verifying all this, the bank manager will check all the documents and your account closing form or application form, and he will process your account closure request, and within 3 to 15 days you will get a confirmation message that your salary account has been successfully closed. Like this you can close your Union Bank of India salary account at any branch. Thank you for watching my video, friends.